Greetings, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. Today, we are putting that air conditioner through our house. Tired of boarding this window up. Hello, LAG to mama. Tired of boarding this window up for an air conditioner and having to put the air in there and board up the rest of the window. We're going through the damn house. And I was telling you before, this stud here has got to get cut out. So I got my holes drilled. My pilot holes are going outside already. But this stud's going to come out. And that box is going to replace this stud. Okay? Yes, that's the plan. And it'll get screwed here and here. And that'll make that square here a stud again. Like it'll come out and down and over to here. And that'll make that a stud again. And the other end of it's going to get screwed to this stud here. And there you go. It's pretty much that simple. I'm going to take my marker here and my level like this. And this here saw, I'm going to go cut the outside of the house. I think I might have a hand saw to cut this. But we'll have to see. I'm going to have to find something to cut that. That could be the main uh-oh factor if I don't have a crosscut saw. I thought I did somewhere. You know a handheld saw? We used to have one. Either that or we'll be going to buy one, folks. And cutting that out of there. But anyway, let's hop outside out there. I got to get the ladder and stuff, and I'll mark that off and cut that. See you in a few. Now, will this cut that? I don't know. That's that stud. That's that stud. Cool, baby. I can't see the hole. There it is. I'm assuming that's in the stud. I'm going to come from the top down. folks. Ah, there's pieces that aren't Mises. Okay, I can't see again. Okay. Of course there's a hole in this, but I don't care. I'm just looking to get... Oh, I didn't cut that. Okay, hang on. I got one more to go. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
How you doing? Looks fine from in here.
Yeah, it should be all right. I'm pleased with it so far. I'm done with this.
Oh, gotcha. Come out.
Okay, now I just got to cut this damn thing out here.
Yeah.
Hopefully this bow saw will do it.
Yeah.
If it'll cut branches, it should cut a damn 2x4.
Oh, thank
Wow, it's actually coming along quite smoothly, folks.
you.
Of course, I knew it would. I know the guy that's doing it. He's pretty good at this shit. All right.
Destruction, you mean?
Yeah. In my angle, there is. Uh-oh.
Oops. Uh-oh. There, you got it.
I'll get close as I can here. Oh. Gone.
Sweet.
And I want to run this.
So did you do it from inside here?
I just want to run some screws, honey. That's fine. Oh, that moved. That moved. Oh.
Right there?
I gotta get up one more step. Please don't collapse later. Okay, I'm up. Alright. Right here. For good measure, I gotta get into here. Oh, there it goes. Beautiful. That needs to go that right there. Run one up into the top. Now I'll try something here. Just give me a minute. That one bit good. And then put the other one over here. Hang on.
Okay.
Trying to get what I can before I go back to other stuff. Beautiful. Cool. They're in there. Oh. Next thing you're going to see is me from the inside, folks.
Yes.
If you could tie a knot in that cord around the other cord, I could just drag that bitch right in the house. But this way it will unplug.
Yes, you're right.
There you go.
Good enough?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That does the trick.
Do you want a spacer? You want me to find a...
Just need to lift this. Oh,
You're going to have to undo.
I'm gonna have to pry bar. See what I can do here. If I get under this bitch, right? Right there. Run this bitch home. Right about, right about. Right about there.
Yes.
What's that? All right.
There it goes. Wow. Ta-da!
Holy cow, is that much better? I'll go as far as to put a level on that. Ha ha! Dead on!
Sweet! Looks good. Get some trim to go around it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Need to get some kind of trim.
Yep.
Oh, hell yeah. All we need is a little bit of trim, folks. There you have it. One window air conditioner through the house. Big trim outside. Big trim. But wait till you see inside. Looky in here. Just a piece of trim on the top and the bottom. And that puppy looks pretty damn good. Yeah. It's even level. So cool. There you go, folks. Air conditioner through the wall, complete for the day. Say peace out, the mama.
Peace.
Just peace out.
Just peace out. Sorry.
Boink. There it is. The inside's all trimmed up. We still got to do the outside tomorrow, but I found some extra trim and I trimmed the inside. Inside's complete. Looks nice. Let's come over this way. Let's come over this way. Let's come over this way. There you go. Inside, complete. Very nice, huh? I think it looks very good. Now it doesn't have to fart with that window anymore.
Right.
Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around